And you know how we're going to get there?
How?
We're going to fly on a plane.
My birthday, we're on a plane!
So happy birthday and Merry Christmas. That's your big present. That's why.
And you think... Maybe 200 right now. It'll be 400 in a little bit. Okay, this is plane. You watch out the window and you'll see the wings go up. See that? The front of the plane's off the ground now. See that? We're flying right now.
Okay, Daddy, stop videotaping! Stop.
Now, you want to close the window?
Dad, she doesn't lean backwards.
Yeah. You want to sit back in your seat now so we can pull this little plane?